Hey guys, it's Cabover Gary back here. I'm back out with my truck. Everything's good on it. It's ready to work again. Been a long time coming, but I'm happy to say that. I did run across one other thing when I jumped back into it. So these lights in the back of my cab were leaking, and my mattress was soaked solid of water. So I need to remedy that. So those are gasket mounted ones, and I bought just some flange style ones with screws, and I'm gonna switch them over to them and silicone them on, and hopefully that will solve that water problem getting into my cab. I got the doors open right now to air it out. I took the mattress and all my bedding out, and it's getting washed, but yeah. On another note, this truck is got wheels. So those are the wheels that are going to be on it. I got all the suspension on it. It runs and drives and does what it should. It needs a clutch adjustment, or maybe the clutch bled. And it does have a little oil leak. Sorry about this wind. Is that better? And maybe I gotta fix oil leaks on it. Interior is almost done. If you guys watched the video on that, I just gotta put it back together. Once I fix the oil leaks, fix the clutch, put the inner fenders in and the interior in, I'm gonna sell off my little car, and this will become my daily driver, with the plans on fixing the body damage in it and painting it as I go. But yeah, I'm excited to have that back on the road, and that it's all together. Let me set you guys up and I'll show you what I'm doing here. Guys, it's so windy today, I don't think I could film and describe without holding over the mic thing. So I'm gonna set you up for a time lapse and I'll show you what I'm gonna do. Okay guys, so here's the lights that I ended up getting, and they're, I guess, cheaper than I thought, but they're gonna fit in there good. And if I hook up the gray and the red, then it says they're the brightest, so that's what I'm gonna do. So I'll set you up so you guys can see that and show you how this works. is still windy as can be out. Hopefully I have something to make a video of. But I got the car hauler hooked up. My plans are to run this and hoping that's my new endeavor. I think is more consistent. But going back to the lights, where they all are installed, I didn't see the camera fill. But yeah, that should seal it up good. And I really like the red back there over the clear that was turning yellow. But anyways, I'm just gonna end this one here. I should get some more hauling videos coming pretty soon. And yeah, so all's good. That thing, I gotta figure out why the clutch is not disengaging all the way. And other than that, that one's pretty much ready to go too. I am gonna paint it, and you guys will see that in a future episode. But it's coming out pretty good. And as always, the Cabover is doing good as well. Well, nowadays it's doing good. So I'll catch you guys on the next one. Please don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button. And also comment, like, I'm thinking about making some merch, like some hats I can do. I don't know how to do shirts yet. But I don't know. Do I have enough subscribers that people would be interested? Let me know in the comments below. And as always, I'll catch you guys on the next one.